promised in our last video, this is our second video telling you just how to apply to the high school MSA council. So just to reiterate, the council has 5 committees which you can apply for. Actually, 4 of them you can apply for. Oversight has already been filled before the applications come in. So public relations, marketing, venue, and finance are all open for application. Each of these committees have 2 chair people each that actually make up the council, and supervised by these chair people are general members, which each committee has a certain number of depending on the workload that the committee gets. So public relations has 2 general members, marketing has 3, venue has 2, and finance has 3. You can apply to be just on the council, you can apply to be just a general member, or you can apply for both. So with that, I'm going to pass it off to Ghazi and...
No, wait! Salaam alaikum.
You want to let us know? I gotta go.
No, come back. Honestly, all this MSA stuff sounds really cool, but I go to the smallest school in New York City. It doesn't even have an MSA. I shouldn't even bother applying.
That shouldn't stop you from wanting to apply. All you need to be is a rising sophomore, junior, or senior, and you need to have good intention and you need to be interested in what the MSA council is going to be doing in the future. That's all you need. Nothing should stop you from applying, even if you have no MSA, or you are the MSA, the only one, or whatever it is. As long as your intention is good and you're willing to commit the time, you should be able to apply, no problem.
Thank you. My problems are solved. I will apply as soon as I can. Salaam alaikum.
Cheers, Ghazi.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ghazi, and I will talk about the expectations for becoming an applicant. So, first and foremost, you need to have strong work ethic. You need to be able to manage your time wisely. You need to be able to have great communication skills. Basically, you have to be amazing. But not just that. Number 1, you have to be strong in faith. And we will determine that within the application, inshallah. And for specific expectations. So as you have been said, the oversight will be handled by the previous members. And public relations, what we are expecting is that you already have a connection, you have a lot of connections, you have a vast network of speakers, of people who can come in and speak within our events. And marketing, for marketing, you have to be able to use your social networks very strongly. By that we mean you're able to be on the internet, you can be easily accessible, and people can just look for you and find you. And you should also have good graphic, this is an expectation obviously, have good graphic design skills if possible. For venue, similar, you need to also have good connections of places to find to hold the event, and you should also have decor within you, how to set the place up. And last but not least, finance. You need to be able to handle expenses, profits, gains. You need to be able to organize the schedules and whatnot. And I will pass to my bro, hello.
Alright, so now we can get right into the application process. So if you guys haven't seen already, the form to apply should already be out. So what you guys need to do is fill out that entire form, answer all the questions with all the information, and once you finish all the questions, and you guys put all your choices down, in a while, you should get an email regarding your interview. So the first phase is the Google Forms, which you should all fill out right now. Next is the interview process, which we'll tell you about, and we'll set out the time and the date and everything. And during the interview, it's going to be hosted by the alumni and the 2 oversight chairs. And throughout the interview, we're just going to get to know you guys, make sure you guys are the perfect and suitable person for the position. And once we run through all the interviews and we see that you are the best and most suitable person for the position, then we'll email you regarding the decision, and you guys can accept or deny. And once that's done, inshallah, we'll have our final council and we'll be all set to go for next year. And with that being said, if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below.
Oh my god.
And with that, inshallah, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.